In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add social network links in Ownerrez. To get started, open Ownerrez and make sure you're in your account dashboard. From there, look over to the left-hand side of the screen, where you'll find the main navigation menu. This is where you can access the settings and customization options for your account. In that left side menu, click on Settings. This will take you to the area where Ownerrez lets you manage account-wide options, including things related to your branding and how your pages appear to guests. Once you're in settings, look for the branding and legal section. Inside that area, click on theming. Theming is where you can control visual elements and make updates to the way your account or hosted pages are presented. After that, open the account theme you want to edit. If you only have one theme, this will usually be straightforward, but if you manage multiple themes, make sure you choose the correct one before making changes. This helps ensure your social links appear in the right place. With the theme open, click on Change. This opens the editable theme settings where you can update different display options and content fields connected to your branding. Now look for the Social Networks section. This is the area specifically designed for adding links to your social media profiles. Take a moment here to make sure you're entering the correct profile for the platform you want to display. Next, add the URL of your social network. Be sure to paste the full link to your social profile so Ownerrez can use it properly. It's a good idea to double check the URL before moving on, especially if you're copying and pasting it from another tab, because even a small typo can lead visitors to the wrong page or cause the link not to work. After typing in your social network URL, review the field once more to confirm it looks correct. This is a simple step, but it can save time later and help make sure your branding stays polished and professional for guests visiting your site. Once you're done, click Save to apply the changes. Saving is what confirms the update and makes your new social network link part of the theme settings. And that's it. You've successfully added a social network link in Ownerrez. If you're updating multiple profiles, you can repeat the same process for each one in the social network section. Keeping these links current can make it easier for guests to connect with your brand and learn more about your business.